method. My full name is Ayunandara Siregar. You can call me Ayu or whatever you like. I come from Tarutung, North Tapanuli. I am 19 years old. I am the second child of 5 children. I have a hobby of reading fiction story and watching drama. Because I like reading fiction story, here I will explain a little about narrative text in English. In today, we will learn about narrative text. What exactly is a narrative text? Simply put, a narrative text is a type of the text that tells a story or describe on a sequence of events. The purpose of a narrative text is to entertain or inform the reader by presenting as a series of events in a coherent and engaging way. What are the characteristics of the narrative text? 1. Past tense. Set the scene in time, making story for real and vivid. Example, the brave knight ventured into the dark forest. 2. Adverbal of time. With reader through the story timeline. Example, one stormy night under a blanket of stars. 3. Descriptive adjective. Paint with word adding to the narrative. Example, the ancient whispering trees. 4. List noun verse. Over detailed snapshot of the story element. Example, the shimmering crystal clear lake. What is the purpose and social function of a narrative text? The purpose of a narrative text is to tell a story or recount a series of events in an engaging and entertaining way for the reader. Some narrative texts may also have deductive and instructive purpose, such as teaching moral lesson or sharing information about historical event or specific cultural tradition. And yes, narrative texts also have social function, which include entertaining, providing information, and of course educating the reader. Type of narrative text. There are a lot of different kinds of narrative text, such as fictional narrative. A fictional narrative is a story that is not based on real event or real people and can be a novel, short story, fable, and fairy tale. Next, autobiography. An autobiography is a narrative text that the life story of the author written for a first-person perspective. And next, biography. A biography is a narrative text that tells the life story of someone other than the author, written from a third-person perspective. And next, memoir. A memoir is a narrative text that focuses on a particular period or event in the author life, often written from a first-person perspective. And next, legend. A legend is kind of a folklore. If a traditional story has been passed on for generations, it often explains the origin of a particular culture or society. Structure of the narrative text. 1. Orientation. Introduce character and setting. Who, where, when. 2. Configuration. Unveil the central conflict or challenge. What the twins. Next, resolution. Confront the narrative, resolving the conflict. How does it end? 4. Evaluation. Reflects on the story, moral, or lesson. What they take away. Okay, that's all the explanation I can convey. Hopefully it's useful. Thank you.